Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most precious moments of parenthood, bathing your newborn. Bath time is not only an essential part of your baby's hygiene routine, but also a wonderful opportunity for bonding and connection. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide for bathing your newborn, ensuring that you feel confident and prepared for this special experience. So, whether you're a first-time parent or just looking for some tips to enhance your baby's bath time, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide for bathing your newborn. 1. Gather supplies. Before starting the bath, gather all the necessary supplies within arm's reach. You'll need a soft baby bathtub or basin, mild baby soap, a clean washcloth, a towel, a clean diaper, and a change of clothes. 2. Prepare the bathing area. Choose a warm, draft-free room for bathing your baby. Lay a towel or non-slip mat on a flat surface, such as a changing table or countertop, to create a safe and comfortable bathing area. Ensure that the room temperature is comfortably warm to prevent your baby from getting chilled. 3. Check the water temperature. Fill the baby bathtub or basin with warm water, approximately 2 to 3 inches deep. Test the water temperature with your elbow or wrist to ensure it's comfortably warm, not too hot or too cold. The ideal water temperature for a baby's bath is around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.8 degrees Celsius. 4. Undress your baby. Undress your baby completely, removing all clothing and diapers. Place your baby on a clean, dry towel or changing mat within easy reach of the bath. 5. Support your baby. With one hand supporting your baby's head and neck, gently lower your baby into the bath water using your other hand. Keep a firm grip on your baby at all times to prevent slipping or sliding in the water. 6. Wash your baby's body. Use a mild, fragrance-free baby soap and a soft washcloth to gently wash your baby's body. Start with the face, wiping from the inner corner of the eye outward with a damp cloth. Then, move on to the rest of the body, washing the arms, legs, torso, and genital area with gentle, circular motions. Take care to clean between your baby's fingers and toes, as well as any skin folds. 7. Shampoo your baby's hair, if needed. If your baby has hair, use a small amount of mild baby shampoo to gently cleanse the scalp and hair. Support your baby's head with one hand while using the other hand to massage the shampoo into the hair and scalp. Rinse thoroughly with clean water, taking care to keep soap and water out of your baby's eyes and ears. 8. Rinse your baby thoroughly. Once you've washed your baby's body and hair, use a clean, damp washcloth to rinse away any remaining soap residue. Pay special attention to the diaper area, ensuring that all soap is thoroughly rinsed away. 9. Dry and dress your baby. Lift your baby out of the bath water and wrap them in a warm, soft towel to dry off. Pat your baby's skin gently, taking care to dry between skin folds. Once your baby is dry, dress them in clean, dry clothing and a fresh diaper. 10. Cuddle and bond. After the bath, take some time to cuddle and bond with your baby. This is a perfect opportunity for skin-to-skin contact, which promotes bonding and regulates your baby's body temperature and heart rate. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can safely and confidently bathe your newborn, providing them with a clean and enjoyable bathing experience. Remember to always supervise your baby closely during bath time and never leave them unattended in the water. With practice and patience, bathing your newborn will become a cherished routine for both of you. There you have it, a step-by-step guide for bathing your newborn. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more parenting tips and advice. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and happy parenting.